What happens when you doubt yourself? Are you guys curious to know about it? Please join with me. Hello everyone, welcome to Energizing Psychological Tips. There are two types of self-doubts. One is healthy and another one is unhealthy self-doubt. Let's talk about healthy self-doubt initially. For example, it makes you ask this type of questions like, did I do this right? Or you will seek some feedback, and through this you will learn and you will prove and you will grow also. As a result, it also takes some actions for the better understanding. I'll tell you some example. When a daughter-in-law tries a new unique dish, she often seeks some feedback from family members or spouse or mother-in-law just to gauge this taste. Based on this input, she may make some adjustments to fine tune the flavors and improve overall taste. How many of you all have experienced this? I could see some many smiling faces. This kind of self-doubt is quite normal. It keeps you from being overconfident. But then there is another self-doubt, and this is the one that traps you. Number one, what if I did wrong? What if I embrace myself? Number three, what if I fail? Do you think it's a feedback to improve? Not at all. You asking for validation, and when you don't get this type of validation, this spiral begins. This is what exactly happens in your brain when you doubt yourself. The moment you start doubting yourself, your amygdala, that is, brain's fear center, detects a threat. Not a real physical danger, but an emotional one. Your heart beats faster, your thoughts races up. It's not just a passing thoughts. It's a pattern that brain has wired itself into. Can you rewire it? What do you say? Let's explore. Number one, next time if you catch yourself in a self-doubt, just pause. Take a deep breath. Count from 10 to 1. This gives your brain few seconds to step out of panic mode. Number 2, my favorite one. Ask this question. That is, if my best friend was in this exact situation, what advice would I give them? And trust me, you will exactly know what you have to do. By trying this way, you switch from fear mode to logic mode. Suddenly the answer becomes very clear. Over a period of time, brain will treat you as a best friend, and of course, self-doubt disappears. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more information.